Hello everyone. I hope you are fine, doing well. Many college students ask me how to write good research paper. We prepare a series of videos for college students who love and want to write good research paper. In today's video, I want to discuss how to write method and material section of your research project. There are many questions related to method section of short research paper. What method was used? As a writer, think for a few minutes. What method was used in your study? Who were the participants? What materials were used? How was it designed? How was it done? If you want to answer all these questions, you need for method and material section of research paper. Respected learners, the quality and validity of your research project will judge based on good research method and material sections. Try to write clear and concise research method section because it will help readers to know your procedures, setting, validity, and reliability of your research project. It provides many things for reader, especially it will inform readers about setting of your project, the method that you use in this project, participants who participate in your project, the materials, literature review, secondary and primary methods that you use in your research project. Method is very essential. In method section, first you are going to describe the research approach. For example, if you conducted the research in qualitative research, try to mention that I conducted this research through qualitative research approach. If you use quantitative, try to use quantitative research approach. If you use mixed method research, try to mention mixed method research approach. First, try to have general explanation of the method that you use for research project. After method, you are going to discuss materials. For example, the articles that you review for your project, the participant that you are using, especially the questionnaire and interview questions. Try to mention all these things for readers. The third important thing in method section, try to discuss the procedure. For example, if you conduct library research, try to mention I downloaded 50, 100, 200 video articles from Google Scholar, ERIC, and other search engine. Try to tell the procedure for the readers. They will evaluate your research paper based on good method section. If you review 10 articles, try to mention 10 articles. First, try to talk about research design and approach. Secondly, discuss generally the materials that you use in your project. And third, explain the procedure. How do you conduct this research? It's also important for all of us. For example, how was or how do you answer the research question? Do not tell us the answer, just tell us answer the how question. Research, you are going in research method, you are going to answer how you find answer for your question. Try to explain all the how side of your research project. It is worth mentioning that try to use clear, concise, and understandable language in method section. It should not be copy and paste. Try to use active and passive voice. Also use simple past and present perfect tense while you are going to describe method and material section of research project. In short, if you are going to write research method and material, first write the approach. Secondly, talk about the materials. For example, articles, questionnaire, interview. Tell them the procedure, how you conduct these things, how you review articles, exclusion and inclusion of articles. You should mention all these things for readers. And also, how do you analyze the articles? You have to tell the data analysis of your research project, how you analyze article through paraphrasing, synthesizing, or summarizing. Just tell the procedure of analyzing the research article. Which data analysis tools did you use? Excel, SPSS, or other application or softwares. Try to explain all the how question. If you answer all these things, you will have well-structured method in material section, and it will be valid and reliable article for high-ranking journals. Hope you understand how to write research method and material section. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.